So here students, we have completed with the theory part of the input tag. So once more time we'll see about the practical. So we have learned about the HTML5 input tag practical. So we'll know about that HTML5 element which contain the input tag. Without that it cannot be created the web creation. Input tag is used as a text area. So you will see here that it is labeled with the text area. One important thing about that, input tag doesn't contain the close tag. It only contains the opening tag. So we can recall as the doc type HTML, which is recall of the HTML5, pure HTML, which is known as HTML. Then it is called as a head. Then it is called as a form. Whatever the web creation you are using, whatever you are making the form, it has to call the form tag. And then you will call it as title. Title contain the name. Whatever the name it is written on the web creation, you will contain the form 1. Input tag is equal to color, which define the color picker. So whatever the color I am choosing here, you can select it from the dialog box. The color will change. That is mean the define of color picker. Input type is equal to number. So here you are seeing about the number. So whatever the number you choose it will come automatically and it can be changed accordingly. Next, you are having the input type is equal to date, which is mentioned as a date. So I have mentioned here 15/6/2020. Also, if you want to change the date, you can reset here. You can change the date. For example, I am writing here 22/07/2020. This is the, you can change the date and the time. Next, you can change the submit button. In case if you don't use the submit, you can use the image also. Image and the submit source are the same as the same location. So submit button contain the submit value. Image source contain the images which can select it from the location of image. Next, you can also use the input type is equal to URL, which contain URL. As if you enter like www.google.com, this is called as a search engine URL. Then next, you can use input type is equal to email. You can contain the emails. For example, I am writing here abc@gmail.com. Yeah, you can also write abc@yahoo.com. So this is the Gmail which can be accepted. Then you can close it with the form. Then you can close with the head. You can close with the HTML. So student, this was the web creation of form. Next, you can create more advanced features in this web creation. So student, you are able to understand about this practical. You can able to understand this. You can easily find notepad and write this all.